You two, what's the deal? PS Crew's popping. It's your girl Pay. It's your boy Serge. And we are back with another video, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. You already know, turn that post notification bell on. Don't forget to tell a friend about Pay and Shawn. Y'all know why y'all at us. Subscribe to all our Instagram handles, all our social media handles. The name is Pay and Shawn. And subscribe to my channel as well. Y'all, we on the road to 100K. Help us get there. Y'all, it's early. We just woke up. I did brush my teeth, but I have to put a mint in my mouth because stop. Because y'all know I'm nauseous as hell. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to be pranking Shawn, so I'm about to be covering my nose every time he talks to me to get his reaction, because I brush my teeth as soon as I wake up, and Serge do too. But Shawn don't, and I don't care. I'm putting his business out because he made me cry yesterday. I was hurt. So I'm about to try to get on his bad side. You already know, try to like make him feel bad because his breath is hot. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Put team pin in the comments. And to all my ride or dies that had my back yesterday, I appreciate y'all. This one is for y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up and let's get your boy reaction. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Peace. Let's get into the video. I just made me a sandwich. I love this deli meat. I should stop eating it, but that's my craving with some Lay's and a I need to watch BMF. I never watched that one episode. It don't look good to me. But I love Big Meat though.
Mom,
Huh?
do we got medicine? I got diarrhea and my stomach supposed to be hurt.
Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna get you some.
Oh, my knee hurt.
This round is going down.
So what?
Nothing wrong with got diarrhea.
Bang!
The sound with some shit. Why are you drinking coffee in the middle of the day?
What?
Why are you drinking coffee in the middle of the day?
Same reason why people drink wine at 9 o'clock in the morning.
You always got something smart to say.
I mean, what's wrong with drinking some caffeine?
Don't sit too close.
You gonna piece of that sandwich?
No.
You just had a piece of my sandwich?
No.
You're so stingy. Mocha frappuccino, Starbucks, chill, coffee drink.
You can go back in the back if you want to. Yeah. You can go back in the back if you want to.
Watch it. Oh, yeah, piece of sandwich real fast. Got a piece of sandwich?
Shawn, no. I'm stinking here. Ever since you came in here, no.
You know, do me. You should check this.
Okay, okay. It's not you.
You wouldn't let me give me a pizza? You took a big ass piece of my sandwich? What the fuck you keeping your arm up for? I don't stink, so I don't know why you keep doing that.
Walk that way.
I don't stink.
Ugh.
My breath don't stink.
Mm.
What?
Mm.
I never on my breath. I never had foul breath. No, I haven't. I never had foul breath. You can never say that about me. You can say I'm fat. You can say bald spot. Never can say I have stink breath. Like,
You in denial about your breath?
you crazy as hell. You can never say that. You can never say that. That's like saying your vagina stink. Like, give me a piece of sandwich.
I'm gonna throw up in a minute. I'm just trying to enjoy my food. Damn. You worse than a kid.
I got a tomato in it?
No.
Why?
No, Yeah, man. Go gargle.
Gargle what?
What's some mouthwash?
I can't really get a piece of sandwich, though.
Sean, if I give you a bite, you're going to put your breath on it. And then I'm not going to want it no more.
What does that got to do with me?
Let me eat it down. And I'll give it to you.
No, you get that piece right there. You just took a piece of, you just took a piece of my sandwich. I didn't want to get a piece of my sandwich. You can't get my sandwich. No, don't do that. Stop. Stop. Daddy. Why you got your back turned to me?
I'm starting to sweat in here. It's hot.
Hey, my breath don't stink though. Like, I don't know why you're trying to play. No, it don't. My breath don't. No, it don't.
Oh, who's gonna brush this morning? You did not brush your teeth.
Yes, I did.
No, you did not.
Okay. Now it's a sandwich. How you get a piece of sandwich?
Sean, your breath stinks. And you drinking that coffee, you stink.
No, I
Damn.
don't. Okay.
I don't want you touching or being by me. Just stay back there. Don't take none of my minutes.
You see my breath stink?
Brush your teeth.
My breath don't stink. You got 3.
Huh. I don't need them, man.
You need a breath minutes for your breath. Not because you be nauseous.
They
This
help
is what
us.
they really for.
They
So
help
my breath
us.
stink so bad.
Well, it a minute ain't even working. It's like it's coming out your nostrils. Can you step back a minute? Go back that way and talk that way. Or, talk outside. Talk to the door.
Stop, baby.
No. Why are you hovering over me?
Can I get a piece of sandwich?
No, you're not. This is all for me.
I got 3 minutes.
With all these beverages, all these people around me, it's making me claustrophobic. Oh!
You gonna swing on him?
Come on, you stink.
No, I don't.
Your breath do stink.
No, it doesn't.
Thank
Never had breath
you, Carrie. You know your breath stink.
You don't know what the hell he said. What does that mean? No, baby, you don't have to teeth. I'm
You
glad.
said, Daddy, your breath like shit. Drink it, huh? Sean, please go watch football. Ain't today Sunday? Okay, stop looking at me.
How can you really get a piece of sandwich, though?
Hmm.
I don't want to. I had to it already. I want a piece of sandwich.
No. Go make me look.
As much as I share with you, I don't want to share with your hungry ass all the time.
I'm pregnant.
I don't care.
There's a difference.
If you ain't eat my shit, he eat my shit. I can't get a piece of the sandwich. Are you really gonna be that stingy, though? I can't get
It
a
ain't
piece
even
of
about
the
that I want to
sandwich.
give you a piece. It's the fact that if
My breath don't stink. Stop saying that. No, it don't.
if you bite
I brush my teeth. I never had no breath problem. All my teeth is white. None of my teeth had
Your
no
teeth is not
fungus.
white.
Yes, they are. None of my teeth had no fungus. I ain't got no black tooth, no silver tooth. I ain't never had no teeth problem at all. Like,
Sean, I will give you a piece. But as soon as you bite down,
and I just get breath mints in my mouth just because to please you, even though I don't need to, because there's nothing wrong with my breath.
So my
But yeah, you said my breath stink. There's nothing wrong with my breath.
it is something wrong with your
No, it's
breath.
not.
If I let you bite this sandwich, you're gonna put all that funk on my sandwich.
Ain't no funk.
It is
Ain't no
funk,
funk.
dude.
Ain't no funk.
You
So,
want a banana pepper?
no, give me a piece of sandwich though.
You want a piece
All right,
of
remember that's cool. No, but you gonna want something. Your hungry ass gonna want something. I'm gonna look right at you. Watch.
They gonna do some
I'm
lettuce.
cool. I'm gonna look right at your ass.
If I'm giving you this, you could build your
Stop,
own sandwich.
Sergio. You're gonna get knocked out. get a piece of sandwich?
Shawn,
Oh, you know, I ain't gonna.
turn your head that way when you talk to me, please. What you want? Huh? Don't have nothing in this house. Bunch of big ass people. Oh, that's a floss.
Talking to me. Please, I'm talking.
Go floss your teeth.
Please, I'm talking to me.
You gotta floss
You
your
floss your
teeth.
teeth. You floss your teeth.
I floss every day. Yeah. Huh. Huh. Hmm.
I don't know. Yeah, do all that. I don't want that sound anymore.
Why not? Cause you got gingivitis?
You would love that.
When you going to the dentist?
You would love that.
When you going to the dentist?
We going to the dentist.
You need to go.
We going to the dentist. We gonna get your eyes shut.
I got 20 fingers.
Oh, okay. Stop, sir. If you hurt your back, walking backwards. Go,
Please
Sergi.
get out.
Go, Sergi. Go,
Out.
Sergi.
Damn.
Wow, get out there. Wow. Get
I'm
out
here
there.
by my fucking
Wow.
self. I'm just saying, it's a prank. It's a prank, babe. It's a prank.
It ain't a prank. You give me something in the whole sandwich.
I was trying to give you a picture of
Hold
one.
on. You ain't charging me nothing.
It was just a prank. You want me to make you one? Alright, y'all, I got to see he's salty. Because his breath
So what was
was
the prank?
like covering my mouth every time we talk. Why you mad? That's why you mad, and I gave you nothing but sandwich. You big mad.
I don't know.
Shut up. Man, make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm out until next time. Peace.